You want to delete an Instagram post from your profile, but you don't know how to do it? You came to the right place, so just follow my steps, and by the end of this video, you're going to learn how you can delete posts on Instagram. I'll first show you how you can do this on iPhone, and after that, you'll have the Android step-by-step tutorial because the process can be a bit different. I'm going to open the Instagram application on my phone, and then I'll go over to my Instagram profile. Our job now is to open a post which we want to delete, and I'll delete this Christmas tree photo from the profile. Once I open the photo, I'll tap on the three dots which are located in the top right corner of the screen, and this will open another menu with a bunch of options related to the post. The delete button should be at the very bottom of the page, so if I tap on it, I will get this little pop-up message explaining to me what this will do. It says that you can restore this post for up to 30 days, and after the 30 days pass, this post will be permanently deleted and you cannot get it back anymore. So this is the process for iPhones. If you use an Android device, the steps can be the same like the ones I've shown you. But some Android devices don't have the delete option in the latest Instagram update. So how can you delete a post on Android? You want to open a post that you want to delete, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. You may or may not see a delete option. If you don't see it, then tap on Archive, and this will move our post to the Instagram archive, and it won't be visible on your profile anymore. But if you need to delete the post from your archive as well, then just go over to your Instagram profile page. After that, I'm going to tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Find and open this Archive option. This will probably open the Stories archive at first, so we can change this to Posts by tapping on the top, and then select this. The last step in this whole process is to find our post in the Posts archive, then select these three dots right here. And here is the Delete button at the bottom. Simply tap on this button and that's it. Thanks for watching.